day 3 on Norwegian Sky. We are at Puerto Plata, as you see behind us with the mountains. You know what I'm saying? How do you feel this beautiful morning?
I just wanna shop.
Yeah, today gonna be a beach day. You know, there's not much you can do with kids as far as excursions go. So we're just gonna be chilling at the beach today, buying some souvenirs. Yeah, all she wants to do is spend money. It's okay, but she's gonna be spending her money. Probably a little bit of mine too. So we're gonna show you how the island, us getting off, and then we're gonna show you how the beach. That's where we're gonna be at today. Free ride off the strap of getting off the ship. Norwegian Sky. Inside of Puerto Plata, you know, the first things that you see off the casino, off the ship is all this. They want you to spend money. Don't throw it, they want you to spend money. According to them, there's no beach, so now we're just trying to figure out something to do. Let's say I know this is the middle of Antigua Bay. This is more tour guides here. They're gonna try and get you for your money if you don't got a tour set up. Got food and drinks over there. And we got some shops. So anything you want, you'll probably find it. All these little setup spots, they got parrots around on the island. So the parrots be outside chatting. I'm gonna show you something too. Tag.
So we got English school because it's like I told you, our natural language is Spanish. Some people take the United States one and they have some.
You like that, huh?
I mean, some Spanish schools. Yeah. Also, we have some schools here that are bilingual. So they teach you some other languages.
Yeah, and we are heading to our private beach excursion. My guy Miguel up there. All of us right here. About to get drunk. Open bar. So we're currently at a private beach resort out here in Puerto Plata. It was about like a 15-20 minute drive. Saying, this is what it looked like. It's tough. Yeah, this is what it looked like. It's on a ramp, but you can't drive. Come on, Kivia. That's it, private pool. Then we headed to the private beach now. Just the beach. I want to go to the beach. So how's it been in the DR for your first time ever?
I'm excited. It's hot as hell out here. I gotta reapply my sunscreen.
No, for real. I think it might be hotter than when we was in Bahamas.
Yeah.
Maybe because, you know, summertime now versus September then.
No, I feel like we just have mad shit.
Oh yeah, plus the extra with the kids, and it's a lot. It's a lot. It's a lot. So if you're bringing kids to the DR, I'd advise to do this. And if you can, do the monkeys as soon as you get on, like, yeah, right off the ship, go do the monkeys. Because this started at 10 o'clock. We got off at 7. So you got time to go do the monkeys, and you know what I'm saying? Now we about to enjoy the beach, enjoy the water, and really enjoy the open bar. Because
Unlimited.
we about to go crazy.
We about to be drunk.
Full blown. And I don't get drunk. So we gonna see what happens.
Thank God for my mommy, okay? Woo-hoo.
I don't get drunk, so we gonna be straight no matter what. Yeah, this is what it look like real peaceful.
I got my water shoes on.
Look at her little mommy shoes. Mommy shoes. It's real peaceful out here. Peaceful, beautiful palm trees. Saying so. We just gonna sit back, relax, enjoy the beautiful rest of the day we have here, because we gotta get back on the ship by 2:30, or we gonna be stuck in the DR with nowhere to stay and no one to get us home, and to waste the money for the rest of the spots that we supposed to go to. So yeah, so we gonna make sure we get back on time while everyone's drunk. That's gonna be fun. We're gonna get all these drunk black people on timing. You gonna see the challenge. Now they up climbing the hill up there. We just gonna take our time.
But it's okay. Our transporter, Miguel, stays with us the entire time, so they know what's up.
Oh yeah, he got us. Our mom got us. I got us. Let's see if I actually get drunk, cause anybody know me, I don't get drunk. So this is the most fun we've had so far, and we didn't even start yet. I should tell you a lot about Norwegians.
Yeah, compared to Carnival, they really don't have much to offer. And if you're, say, like 2 minutes late to something, forget it. You can't even join it. We tried to do a painting activity that started at 4 o'clock. First of all, we could barely find stuff on the ship. That was one, so finding it was hard. And when we did find it, they were like, it's too late. Mind you, there were only 3 people there, so that pissed us off a little bit. But we about to have fun. I already see the liquor, so it's lit. So let's see. Oh, this breeze feels nice. This breeze feels nice. So this is the water. Say hi. Wow.
Hola.
What the hell?
Hell no. Like, why you just, he already in the water dead.
What's that?
We're in Puerto Rico. Speak Spanish. We're in Dominican Republic.
See, look.
I'm listening to you. I mean, we're in the DR.
So that was my mom and my sister. Say hi.
Can I shoot?
Oh, yeah. Say hi.
What happened? Mama.
Yeah, you gonna
Hi,
go
Claude.
water?
Oh.
Riley, say hi. Hi, Rainy. Hi.
No. Hold it. Yeah, you saying hi? I got it. Thank you.
It's always dating, bro. Oh my God.
do that.
Let me show him. Mario! It's always fucking Jaden. Mario and Luigi. Help. 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 Somebody help.
Riley?
Help. First of all, where's my drink? No.
Don't drown now.
I always act like this.
Hi guys.
This recording? Yeah, it is. First of all, I'm at black.
Do I catch okay? Oh wow. Good cheese.
Look, mommy right there.
Cheese.
It's waterproof.
You recorded? Say hello. Hello.
It's the rainy cam.
Daddy.
This is my favorite snack.
Okay. Oh, yes, sir. No, I can't do that.
Go ahead.
I can't do
I didn't want to get my face wet. Hold on, man. Hold on. Hold on. There we go.
I'm too tall for this. I'm doing. Hey.
Everybody got grade 4. Grade rally.
Oh my God, I'm doing it! I'm not doing it! Yes,
Oh. What's your name and how many drinks you have?
My name is
Alright. What's your name and how many drinks you
Julia,
have?
I had like 7.
7. Okay, what's your name and how many drinks you had?
My name's Lolly. I had. Wait, I think 5.
What's
My
your name?
name is Tay, and I'm on shot. Wait, is it just shots or all
Drinks. Drinks.
Drinks? I'm on shot number 8. Damn!
I'm not gonna hit you. I didn't.
What's your name and how many drinks you got?
My name is Amelia, and I don't know how many drinks I had, but I had 2 shots and 2 pina coladas, 4 rum punches. I don't fucking know.
Go
I
on.
think.
There's another one. What's your name and how many drinks you got?
Freehand. And I had like 8 drinks and like 4 shots. 4 shots.
Okay.
No, that's number 5.
So it's lunchtime, so here's our lunch options. You know what I'm saying? We'll eat. Got some ice cream. And this is my plate, by the way. It's already ate, but oops. Got a quick little salad bar. Quick little salad bar. We got a pizzeria. Seafood, Italian pasta, we got sushi. We got seafood, a meat chop, umbrella. And here's some extra condiments. And that's it. All in all, bro, this is probably like the best spot to go to out here for the money. Yeah. They got a little lazy pool. Everyone is drunk, heading back to the ship now. I'm gonna see if I can get my passport stamped while I'm here. So they said that we can, so I'll keep you updated on that. But as you see, sleeping baby. I got 2 drunk people in front of me. Everybody else is drunk, heading back to the ship as quickly as they can, and I'm chilling. I had 4 shots, 4 drinks, and I'm chilling. But after they drop you off after the excursions, it's pretty much all shops yet again, trying to get your money. So, I mean, if you want souvenirs, there you go. Other than that, you just follow the signs back to the ship. Take some photos. That's about it. See y'all back on the ship. What up, people? This will probably be the last video of day 3, but that's the aftermath. She's not. But anyway, this is the bed, the room. I didn't really get to show y'all, but yeah, this is it. So family of 4. Yeah, everyone was drunk. Me, myself, I had 4 strawberry margaritas, 4 shots, a Jack and Coke, and 2 rum punches. Still functioning, 100% me. As long as I got food in my system, I ain't getting drunk. I told y'all about this. But yeah, that's probably gonna knock out the rest of the day. I don't see them waking up until about 8, 9 o'clock tonight. I'm about to go get some food and stuff for myself. I'm over here watching the Hunger Games. And yeah, that's gonna be the end of the day. Tomorrow, I believe we're in St. John's, so that should be a movie. And it's probably gonna be another drunk day on the beach. But we're gonna find out what we're gonna do. So for y'all, for now, doses.